Hello, good morning, all. Myself Shiv. Uh, Actually, if you want to know about me, I am a faculty from one of the college from the North Karnataka, and basically, I am unaware of IT anything, and I am in this teaching profession since more than 10 years. Uh, with my friend, I got to know about Binda. Actually, Binda is my junior, but I didn't knew him. But my friend told me that he is taking the sessions and all. So I joined this Binda's academy. So the first thing what I got to know about is if Binda having this much good position, he can do everything. Means why can't I do? That is the main motivation for me because uh, I know what is the human mentality. We have everything, then why we would need to struggle? But Binda is doing this much effort, so he's doing everything. Means why can't I do? That is the main motive. Help made me to take this as a serious. And and first day I called Binda. He told me, "I will teach you how to do it, but next you need to do it. You don't ask me a question. Can it be possible and all? Only you can make it possible." He told that. So that made me to do it, take it very seriously. And regarding the sessions, I will tell you, I never missed single session of a Binda, and that is the one thing. Why? Because we know that we can get everything in the Google. Google can be provided everything, but the main knowledge, the reality, what we if you want to know anything, only it can be we can get it from the class. Okay, so that's why I never missed any class. And what are the scenarios where Binda will be telling in the class? So those will be helping very much in the interviews. Okay, just know you had the concept of abstraction. He telling that we cannot instantiate abstract class. The same question we are getting in the interviews. So that's why the classes, whatever the Binda will be telling the tips, so they are very much helpful. I can say that these are the very much useful interview questions. So around the so many interviews are given, so all the questions whatever the Binda tips have told, it helped me a lot. Okay, so these are the scenarios very much are interview based scenarios. And regarding the learning, I will bet you, uh, you cannot challenge Binda. I know people are there to challenge him, but he has enormous knowledge and he can teach you every bit, whatever there in the industry. So I realized from this his teaching and everything. And even if you search Google will not tell you that much Binda know. So that can assure you. That is the one thing. And regarding the learning, Binda does his task very much neatly, and I can say disciplinedly. He know each and every bit. He cover everything, and he will be supporting in all the aspects. If you have any doubts, anytime you can ask him. He'll be clearing your doubts. Okay. So that is the one thing. I every time if I get any doubt, simply I message him. I got a message reply witness soon. So that much dedicated he is, and that is the one thing I learned from this class. And regarding the this is about the preparation. So we think that if 1 hour we sit in the class, that is not enough. Okay, because whatever the task he is teaching in the class, you need to finish off that task in a day. So that is very good for you. Okay, so that helps for your upcoming interviews and all. Hence, don't listen what he tell in the class and next don't again sit on the next day for the class. So have a preparation of that on that day itself. So that is very helpful. That is the one aspect. And as myself, I have cleared more than 6 interviews already. I got the offer letters like Cognizant, Capgemini, Cisco, Harman. So I want to share that finally I decided to join a Harman system. Already I done the official joining and all. So I need to join the company soon within a day or two. So I want to thank Binda so much because I am totally shifting from teaching fraternity to a IT industry. Mm, that is the one thing. And the main motto for this, I can say that the support what I got is from Binda, I can say. And one thing, and regarding to the, if I can say that he's Binda is starting one more new setup in this course, that is extra support. I can say it is a very useful because initially after the completion of the course, what I thought, I created the resume, I uploaded in the Naukri profile. So around 15 days, I not got even single call. Then I approached the Binda. Binda said, "Okay, sir, we'll do it." Then he made my resume. Then he made me to that resume to upload in the Naukri profile. He updated my Naukri profile. So the day he updated, next day onwards, I am started getting calls like I am unable to answer some of the calls. So such a response I am getting because that support what Binda is giving, no, that is very much helpful. Okay, so I can say that he started that he told me that, sir, just you create and give me your email number, so you will see the result in next day. So that really happened. Okay, and that is the one thing I can say. And one more thing I want to say you, the confidence for the interviews. I read all the concepts, but I'm telling Binda. Binda told that, sir, you need to prepare. But he made me to attend the mock interviews. I will tell you that the day I attended the mock interview, I said, Binda, any interview if I attend, I'll crack it because that much confidence I got from that mock interview. I can say Dinesh, I thank him so much because he is the person who taken the mock interview for me sessions. So the questions, how scenario based will be asked, everything, it's like a real time interview experience. So based on that, I come to know that I can face any interview. I got the confidence. After that, how many interviews I got given, all the interviews have been cleared. That is the one thing. So some of the things I want to tell you, we always give excuses. Okay, so see, I being the faculty, and I am not a junior. I am more than 30 plus. I am too married and I have two kids. Having kids, everything, I can manage the classes. And seriously, in during the lockdown, I used to attend the Bindas class and never missed any class. And so many has reasons to tell that we need to manage the kids who cannot attend. It is all left to you how you manage. Okay, and I managed it. And the same time, there is one more possibility. You can tell that, sir, we have timing issue and all. And I have college at 9 o'clock. Bindas class is 8. So I used to miss the class lastly. So what I done, I used to go college earlier before 8, and I sit there, attend the class. And sometimes the classes will be middle in between 11 to 12. That time I have a classes. So I adjusted that and attend all the classes. Hence, if you go on giving excuses, that will never complete. So hence, without giving excuses, so if we start attending everything, we can get it everything. Okay, and that is the one thing. And the end-to-end support what Binda has given me made me to crack more interviews. And already I got 6 offers, and I am joining Harman. So I'm very thankful to Binda. And seriously, I'll be telling you, if you are dedicated, you can do it very well. Okay, and that is the thing. And regarding the preparation, I can say how we need to prepare. If I can prepare, anybody can prepare. Why? Because managing everything, I can prepare means you also can prepare. So the Binda, the main motto I can say is, if Binda attending the company and he is replying for everything, then he is taking class and all, how much he is managing time. So I can say myself that, why can't I manage 1 hour a day for doing any task? So that motivated me a lot and inspires me a lot to do. Okay, so hence, uh, I say that the door of IT is open for me because of Binda, I can say. And I am thankful to Binda. The course, whatever the, see, the amount goes and comes, that is not matters. The what I learned, what made me to change my career from one profession other profession, is because of Binda. I can say that there is no words to express more. So I am thankful to Binda, and thanks for giving me opportunity to share my testimonial in this batch. And I'm say that I'm a proud alumni of Bindam Academy, and I'm very thankful to Binda. Thank you so much.